Hi.
Hi.
Hey, dog. What do you think? They're eating the pets.
They're eating the pets. They're eating the cats and dogs. They're eating.
But one thing I wondered was, have you picked up on, for example, what short sales are?
I just know it's crooked. That's all I know.
Well,
I don't
not
really
quite
get
crooked,
I don't,
but
well, okay, well, I don't get it. It seems like a scheme to me, but
it's how it's done. In the old days, back when I was a trader, you could only sell a stock as a pro if the stock was going up.
right.
But if the stock was going down, you couldn't sell and push it down further. That was called a naked short sale. Illegal.
Sounds sexy.
Today, you can do both under certain rules, but you do have to follow a couple others and you have to report them. Sounds like it hasn't been happening. And it's hard on companies. It's hard on a company that's trying to raise money and others are trying to push the stock down further, punishing existing shareholders and making it tough for these companies to raise money. And as you know from listening to our people, for the junior miner, it's not an easy task to raise CapEx.
Well, I guess like this is a problem that Terry Lynch from Power Nickel, he's been trying to address, and he's actually created a group that's built to fight against this issue because it's largely affected his stock and what he's trying to do, which is very good things.
Yes, he's trying to make his stock go up so shareholders are happy and they can raise more money. The entity he started is called Save Canadian Mining, along with other CEOs and presidents that have worked on it. So that's an interesting one, definitely. Big time issue. If it ever stops, then you will see a market move up because short sales eventually have to buy it back, the stock. And if they turn and there's nothing there, stocks are going higher. And everybody who shorts a stock when gold's going higher on gold stock might be making a mistake, but I guess time will tell, right, little dog?
And that kind of lends to my thought is when we met that gentleman in the parking lot at PDAC, he said, I want to invest in Canadian companies. And that's probably largely why. So that could be a big solve for Canadian companies.
A huge solve. That was an American citizen who drove all the way to PDAC to go through it for the first time in a few years.
Yeah.
So he must have been seeing something. And the reality is, if the short sales lose the battle, the stocks go way higher.